This is the spreadsheet showing the countries where monkeypox has been detected as of 23rd May 2022. 206 cases has been detected and the cases are going to increase in few days. So the obvious question in everyone's mind is that are we heading towards another pandemic? How deadly is monkeypox? Why suddenly we are seeing so many cases of monkeypox? Let's talk about all these today. Hello my dear friends, I am Poonam and you are watching Biology Explained. Monkeypox. This is how it looks. It is a viral infection and it is very similar to smallpox. But monkeypox is much milder and less transmissible than smallpox. It is called monkeypox because it was first detected in monkeys in the laboratory in 1958. But remember, monkeys are not the source of this virus. Because it was first detected in monkeys, it was termed as monkeypox. The virus is thought to transmit from wild animals like rodents to people. It is mostly found to make outbreaks in Africa and cases outside Africa is very limited and generally occurs with people who have travel history to Africa. There has been small outbreaks of monkeypox outside Africa but very limited. This year, that is May 2022, has seen the outbreak in European countries, US, Canada, Australia, and I am sure it will spread to other countries as well. Does it mean it will start another pandemic? Well, the experts think that it is very unlikely that monkeypox will be another pandemic because it is not SARS-CoV-2 virus, which transmits very fast through tiny airborne particles called aerosols. Monkeypox transmits from very close contact with body fluids and respiratory droplets like saliva from coughing. But remember, the droplets are much larger in size, so they cannot travel as far as SARS-CoV-2 virus. It can also transmit from materials used by the infected person like bedding, clothing, towels, body fluids like saliva, eye, nose, skin-to-skin contact when there is a broken skin. However, monkeypox has nothing to do directly with sexuality. But if an infected person's body fluid enters the other person's body, then the infection can occur. Vaccine for smallpox is found to be 85% effective against monkeypox. Moreover, there is a live, non-replicating smallpox and monkeypox vaccine available and approved for use in US, Europe and Canada. But how easily it will be available to the public is a big question. So as you can see, SARS-CoV-2 was completely a novel virus. We had no knowledge about it. So we had to start from the scratch. But in case of monkeypox, we are better prepared. So monkeypox heading towards a pandemic is almost unlikely. The treatment options for monkeypox, as I have said, one of the options is vaccine. Other treatment options for monkeypox is supportive to mitigate the symptoms. According to UK government, cidofovir and tecovirimat can be used for monkeypox treatment. Having said this, the question that is most bothering to me is that what is the source of this outbreak? I am saying this because lots of people who have been infected has no travel history or contact with people who have traveled to Africa. So how did they get it? Does it mean it is transmitting in the community? That is scary. Then it's going to spread a lot more. Another question is, why is it suddenly emerging now? Every doctor and scientist have different explanation for this. One of the probable reasons might be we have stopped the smallpox vaccination now after we declared the smallpox is completely eradicated in 1980. By now, the immunity developed by vaccine against smallpox has waned and this gave the monkeypox virus a chance to emerge. But the bottom line is we are better prepared to fight against monkeypox compared to SARS-CoV-2 and the transmission rate of monkeypox is much lower. Monkeypox is a DNA virus. It does not mutate as fast as RNA virus like SARS-CoV-2 virus. So we are not going to find newer variants, hopefully. The first genome draft for the recent monkeypox outbreak has been submitted, but it is too early to say whether it has mutated or not. Now let's see some of the symptoms of monkeypox. Early symptoms are flu-like symptoms like fever, headache, muscle ache, backache, swollen lymph nodes, chills, exhaustion. Within 1 to 5 days after appearance of fever, rash develops. It starts from the face and then spreads all over the body. It begins as a small vesicle and ultimately forms a blister, and then a dry skin called scab appears. As you can see in this figure, this is the developmental stage of the rash in case of monkeypox. The scab is infectious as well. A person is contagious until the scabs have fallen off and there is intact skin underneath. Another good part about monkeypox is that a person becomes infectious only after developing the symptoms. So once symptoms are developed, if one is kept in isolation, then spreading of the disease can be stopped. Unlike SARS-CoV-2 virus, where a person is infectious even before the symptoms appear. So it is much more difficult to control the spread of SARS-CoV-2 compared to monkeypox. Monkeypox can appear within 5 to 21 days after being in contact with an infected person. Monkeypox is usually mild and most people recover within 4 weeks. But some individuals might develop severe illness. Another aspect I think you should know is that there are 2 versions of the monkeypox. One is the Congo version, which has a fatality rate of 10%, which is pretty high, and the milder version, that is West African version, has a fatality rate of 1%. The one spreading now is the milder one. I think we all should be more careful about the symptoms, and if we see any unusual rash, we should consult with our doctor. That's it for today, guys. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.